Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. Y'all see the Can-Am? It's ready to hit some mud, but guess what? We got something else going on. We got the Honda out here too. We're gonna see if the built Can-Am can withstand the built Honda, which everybody's gonna say it doesn't have a built engine, but the built engine really doesn't add that much to it. And we got Walker today. He's gonna go in this hole right over here. Y'all seen it. I'm probably not gonna go in at the Can-Am because I want to go see some mud down the street, down the road, and I don't have that much gas, to be honest. My gas tank is in my truck, which we had to put universals. So sadly, we don't have that much gas. So I'm gonna save it for the actual mud, the hole that stopped this thing last time. But Walker said he wanted to go ahead and get in some water, so we're gonna let him go through this hole right fast. Then we're gonna go down the road where the thick mud was that stopped this thing last time and see if the Can-Am can actually make it. If not, I got a truck, he'll pull it out. So we'll see y'all in a second. Come on, Walker, you got this. I told you it was cold. Lean to the left, lean to the right, lean to the left, lean to the right. He wants it again. He said it's super cold. Ah, that's the wrong. Walker, you don't have to do that. Remember, you just press down. That doesn't walk. That don't walk anymore. You just press it down and it will go into reverse. Yeah. Yeah, there you go, buddy. You don't have to press the button. The button has been deleted. It's a little... Come on. Just hold it to it. It ain't going to hurt you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to test out, did we fix this thing and is this build worth a dang? Or is it going to die? We have 1 bar of gas. Oh, wait, no. We got 2 bars of gas, Walker. Here you go, Walker. Hold this. If you want to, when I come back through the other way, you can record it. You remember, hold it sideways, no finger gribblings. Yeah. Oh, Lord, I don't like this. Okay, 4-wheel drive on. This is going to be thick today. Woo!
Eventually.
Come on. Okay, let's see if we can make it. Ah! Huh? Dang it. Hang on. I gotta dig it out. I just got stuck here, so why don't we try again and see if we get stuck twice. Is there mud on my camera? Huh? Is there mud on my camera? On the lens?
I lost my truck. It's stuck.
There you go. Yeet the Crocs. We don't need them. Like, what in my mind said, It's gonna end differently when you come back through. Oh yeah, let's go. I got it. You gonna sit, bitch? Or you gonna wait here? Okay. Sure. Your phone's right there, and.
One eternity later.
Back up, come on. Straight, keep backing up. Keep going, a little more. Whoa, right there. Okay, she hooked up. She in 4-wheel drive? Not diff like 4-wheel drive. Put on low when you do it.
Put on that.
Yeah. You got Walker on his hard hat we found in the mud. We got the Yamaha, because I don't think the 300 is going to pull this thing out. She is stuck. So let me go ahead and get this thing out. Oh God, this is going to be hard. Okay, so she in low. Don't look like... Drive forward. Yeah, there we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, that's good. We got to adjust this thing. Look how far off it is. Oh my gosh, Walker. What were we thinking? I know what we're thinking. We're awesome people.
Yes.
I hope the camera's aimed at you. Look at Walker. You gonna go get the Honda and go through it? I can pull you out with this Can-Am.
I ain't gonna make it, but we'll try.
So the 4-wheel drive's on, but the light's not on. Come on, baby, let's wash you off a little bit. Come on. No, I mean, come on. She's doing pretty good. We do have to go ahead and adjust the shifter. It's way off. Other than that, this thing is good today. Check the engine oil later on. Make sure no water got in it. Walker, hurry up. I'm bored. Neutral is not neutral. Look, that's neutral right now. Halfway.
A few moments later.
So the Can-Am ran out of gas, about ran out of gas. We went to go get the foiler because they said it wouldn't run. What it was, the battery cables always get loose. I don't care what I do, they always do. I need to get some new nuts and new bolts. But anyways, it ran out of gas, about to cut off when I got home. Gosh, there's so much mud in my eyes. So Walker said he wants to go. We were gonna go through that hole over there that we got stuck in, but we decided that's probably not the best idea today. Ain't that right, Walker? Yeah. We might try it after this hole if he makes it. But anyways, y'all remember this, but there's no water in it now. I don't know how well this is gonna work without water. I was planning on going through that, but I got stuck through there. And that's the easy part. Look how deep it has gotten. With no water, these holes become bottomless pits. Walker, you ready? Yeah. You go right here, and then you turn and go in it. You follow the tracks. You're still in gear. Bad Walker. You have a quarter of a tank of gas. Let's hope you have the best. It's just my luck to run out of gas on everything today when we had a lot of videos. Oh, Walker. Don't throw it. I'll lose it. Walker, ready to go. So, you waited too long. Back up, Walker. You missed the ton. You missed the ton. I hope there's no lickies out here. I don't want to lose my toe. Left, right. Come on. You got this, man. Come on. I got faith. You got to come to the right now. With no water. waddle, nothing's gonna want to go through it, to be honest. I don't know if you're gonna be able to get it. Ain't no reason to go backwards, just stop. Hey, you can't go backwards. That hill.
There's no going nowhere in this thing.
You gotta go forward, man. You can. I'm telling you, you can push forward. I got faith in you, my friend. Don't make me get down there. Come on. Okay, switch me out. You want me to try it? Yeah. Okay, come on, get uphill. Switch me out. You hold my phone and record. I think I can do it. Hurry up, you take it too long. You're slow, Walker, you're slow. I don't think I'm going to do it either with no water. Last time I had water in it. Wow, you're a big boy. Look at her go. Go, Walker, go, run. I love you with your crap stained pants. You look like you pooped yourself. I see it, you pooped yourself. I'm telling everybody you pooped yourself on YouTube. You're a novice. Look, look, it came up on the hill. Look, there's a crawdad. Hey, little buddy.
You got a crawdad?
Yeah. Hey, look at him.
Eat that thing.
Eat that thing, hey, buddy. Walker. See, with no water, we just can't make it with nothing today. This is literally a swamp hole, like I've said before. And yeah, y'all saw the video last time. I will put it up here. Come on, baby. Come on. Baby. And to the other. See, we made it right through, but with no water, it's like you just can't make it. I'm just sitting here like my foot is gone. Oh, the Can-Am couldn't make it, the Honda couldn't make it. This is just a bad day for all of these vehicles. No. You're gonna bring it to me, and I'm gonna hook it up. No, I'm not gonna make you hook it up. I'll hook it up in the mud. You bring it to me, boy. Please. Oh, this is now. Oh, crap. I'm falling. Man down. Back up a little bit so that way you're a little off the hill. A little more. That's good. Dang it. Hang on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as always, thanks for watching. Look at these beautiful things. This became a cluster really fast. As you can tell, there was no water, so it was crazy. The mud was just thick. We just couldn't get through anything. But anyways, the Can-Am did pretty good. It ran out of gas. I about didn't make it back home. I definitely got to go ahead and adjust the shifter, because I guess it turned a little bit when it was taken off, because that thing will literally just throw itself in neutral, won't stay in high. Oh, it's aggravating. So I got to adjust that. And I got a couple of little things I want to do to it. But other than that, she did pretty good. I mean, I wish I would have had a lot more room to get that run, and I might have made it through the whole. I don't think so, though. I don't think anybody was going to make it through that whole day with no water. So anyways, guys, if you wouldn't mind, check out this video of the last time we took the Can-Am when we blew it up. Now she's back. And check out the Can-Am playlist and the 300 who sadly didn't get as much action as I was hoping today. I had a lot planned for the day, and as you can tell, we just kept getting stuck. But all these bad goals are running today. None of them are broken, so it's a good day. So I will see y'all on the next one. And don't forget to hit like.